Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the fastest fixes. Put the phone into airplane mode, wait about 10 seconds, then turn it off. This forces a radio reboot and can restore registration. Next, restart the device to clear transient errors. Remove the SIM, clean the contacts, then reseat it securely. A loose SIM often causes disconnected. Finally, open network settings and confirm mobile data and the preferred network mode. Choose 4G or 3G depending on coverage, so the phone can seek the correct network. Once the basics are done, dive into settings. Try manual network selection. Let the phone scan, then pick your carrier to force a reattach. If that fails, reset network settings to clear corrupt profiles. This restores Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile configs. Inspect access point names, APN, and correct any mismatches to allow data. Make sure VO LTE or IMS is enabled if your operator needs it, and install any carrier updates. Those updates provision your SIM and fix authentication issues between device and network. You're at the finish. Update the phone OS so radio firmware and carrier patches apply. Many connection bugs are fixed this way. Test your SIM in another phone. If it still fails, request a replacement from the carrier. Call your operator to confirm account provisioning and local outages. They can re-provision your line remotely. If nothing works, perform a factory reset only as a last resort. Back up your data first. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent drops persist, use carrier diagnostics and a new SIM before replacing the phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.